Nibs!
The twins! Ow! Cubby. And that's Toodles! Oh!
Boys, this is Jane. She's gonna stay here
I'm-
and be our new mother and tell us stories.
What do you mean by stories? Tell us stories, Jane! Stories, come on!
Actually, I'm afraid I'm not very good at telling stories.
That's okay. We're not very good at listening to stories.
I know. Let's play a game instead.
Red Rover! Red Rover! Nah, something else. Let's play the no more hitting Cubby on the head game.
Hey, how about a treasure hunt?
Good idea! Treasure hunt!
I hit it really good this time. You guys will never find it.
Here we go! Diamonds and rubies! Treasure! Diamonds and yes, come on!
No, and no. You remind me of someone I know. Oh. I have to go home.
What's the matter with her?
I don't know. She acts kinda like a grown-up.
Well, this just got awkward.
That's really insensitive.
I've got to get out of here.